right, happy Saturday, folks. I'm out here with the famous Bob Daigle.
How you do?
We just came across our first structure down here in the Bird Hills. We've been hiking for about a half an hour now. Taking our time, leisurely stroll. I'm gonna go down and take a closer look at this. Oh, here we go, Bird Hills Park. I think we're within the city limits of Ann Arbor, as is, I've recently learned, the Barton nature area that is also within the city limits of Ann Arbor. So here we go. First structure of the day. Pretty nice, eh, Bob? Yeah, sure. You want to sit up there? Stand up there? It's got to be a good 12 feet high at least. The apex. Nice. How long's your walking stick there, Bob? 5 feet. You got to be at least 4 foot 22 inches. Pretty impressive structure here. Let's go find some more. All right, back at the first TP I found here in the Barton nature area. This structure has been modified since I've last seen it. We have looked at these headers here, if you will. And I believe these two, or these few, longer, bigger sticks have been added as well as these at the threshold here. But no pizza box, folks. But we do have a cup of tea. Cup of air, if you will. It's an impressive tree.
In the summer, you
Big pine.
might not even notice.
One's for you, Leanne. All right, here with Bobby D. And I just spied what looks to be quite an impressive and densely packed structure. Look at that, Bob. Oh. That is awesome. This is new. Wow, look at that. That almost looks occupied, doesn't it? Oh, this is thick. Nothing in there. I can see through it, thank goodness. Oh, you know what, Bob? Wow. Holy cow. Is that impressive? Sort of wigwam. This is new, Bob. This is new since I've been here. It's been a month or two. This is amazing. Huh? I have not. Oh, this is impressive.
That'd be cool to bring a dog back in here and see what pick up.
See what, yeah. Or see if it cowers or gets curious. Total wigwammy. And I'm not sure yet, but this may be the same area that, that's two good ones today, Bob. Three good ones.
People were doing it, you think you'd see some scraps.
Oh, of course, you think you'd see some symmetry in its construction.
See beer bottles or something. Why would just to build it and use it?
Oh man, that's impressive.
Gotta take some pictures.
That's the first dome-like construction that I've come across, more of a wigwam. It is dense. All right. Ooh, pretty.